Today we'll talk about how can you enable email service on your Groupon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do is the first, you just go down here, click here on my stuff down here, just click on it. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here until you found here email preferences, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here until you found email service. You click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, this mean email service enable with us now. You go down here. You found here save preferences, just click on it. Then it's going to save with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.